Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class.
Dear students, use of an before a vowel sound. An comes before words that begin with a vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U, or any words that sounds like start with the vowels. Example like an apple, an egg, an onion, an eagle, an elephant, an iron, an umbrella, an egg, and aunt. Now we start use a before a words that begin with a consonant sound like a dog, a frog, a jeep, a table, a rose, a box, a hen, and a dog. So students, today you are learn use of a and an. You are did very good.